I see God everywhere. In the clerk at Fry's, in my daughter's ace serve and Miss Dig, in my coworkers, church family, wife, school friends, and distant cousins. Whether I am singing a hymn, Verdi's Requiem, or Crosby, Stills and Nash, I see God. There is one place, however, where I am forced to interact with God, confront my sin, and mourn my losses, where I learn if I am on His path or if I have had mission drift. It's here that I hear God. It's here that He has my attention. God, I pray for silence. I pray for a vulnerable heart. Show me and all who desire beauty, goodness, and truth how to listen better. Would you meet us where we are, in whatever broken circumstances we are? Would you teach us to love and serve others the way you served those who followed you, even the betrayer? God, tear away my pretense, my confusion, my navel-gazing, so I will have empty hands to hold up whomever you put in my path. Teach me to fast from those things that steal your hope, so my mornings are filled with your joy. Whether I cry out to you in fear, or if I jam my life with so much I whimper in a fog, I will seek you. You've gifted me so much already. Lower the barriers that keep me from authentic relationships. Let me weather the uncomfortable to see you better. Show me that community is your design, and while I love isolation, it is meant to be done in moments, not lifetimes. In the quiet, I find Him, blanketed by all created things. It is here that I hear God. It is here that He has my attention. But it's out there that I serve Him.